God, I commit my Detty December plans onto your hands. Give me the capacity, God, the capacity to go all out without draining my account. Give me the facilities to stay awake all night and scream my lungs out. Order my steps to where there's good vibes and enjoyment. In January, no supper. In January, my bank account still fat. Thank you, Lord, because I know you hear me. Thank you, Lord, because I know you hear me. Amen.
Good morning, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Debbie in the building. Guys, it's been how many days since I got to Lagos? Today is Friday, so it's been Wednesday, Thursday, about 3 days roughly. And your baby girl fell sick, and amongst other things. See guys, Lagos is not good for my skin, okay? Maybe it's good for my skin, but maybe it's not good for my health. Traffic. I was so sick last night, guys. Like, I was so sick. I was stuck in traffic for 2.5 hours. My body couldn't take it. Like, my body hasn't experienced that amount of sitting there in one place and the car is not even moving. Like, there was no hope of moving. It was bad. So anyway, I haven't vlogged since I got into Lagos because I've been busy and sick and many things. But I'm in Diana's house. See her picture there. She's gone to work. So I just wanted to start off this vlog. I've missed out on filming some content for Vlogmas, so I'm gonna see if I can film a thing or two this morning, and then I'm heading out. I'm going to Lekki one out, see a few friends, maybe see my brother, and come back before traffic starts. Diana has a dinner tonight, so we wouldn't be going out. TGIF, I think. So I will come home and just rest. But yeah, just want to start off this vlog. I'll see you guys later. Finished filming first video. Well, I actually didn't just finish filming it. It took light, and so I decided to edit the first video. I'm done editing it, so I'm about to film the second video. And to be honest, I don't even know what it's going to be about. Like, I have so many ideas in my head and I can't even figure out which one. And no, I didn't go out. There's a gridlock in Lekki Aja. I'll see if I can find that video and put it here for you guys to see. I fell sick from being in traffic. I am not about to go into in traffic just to visit one of my friends. We go out at night in this place, and at night I mean 9 p.m. okay I'm not gonna be stressing myself. So right now I want to film the second video because I mean my makeup still looks pretty. I might even film 3 videos because I have 3 missing videos on my Vlogmas series because I've not been feeling too good and all of that. So I didn't vlog, I didn't go to a place I wanted to go to. So I want to see if I can film that now. Let me show you guys what the table is looking like. Like, I did like a mini tutorial. So I have my gel here, my palettes, a minimalist makeup tutorial, my water, my bonnet, my ring lights, and all of that. So I'm going to not clear this up right now. Oh my god, guys, you guys can't see my body. I'm going to not clear this up right now because I want to film another video. Then when I'm done, I'll just clear up everything. We can get our mind to choose one of the contents in its head, and I'll see you guys later if I go out in the evening. Ladies and gentlemen, please can you turn it down? Sorry, copy. Ladies and gentlemen, I told you guys I was going out here and I didn't film, but look at this. It's almost midnight, guys. Yes, gridlock. 12 a.m. Lagos. I've suffered in this town. Lagos, from malaria, from traffic to different things. Like no movement. Who did we offend now? No. But what the? Lagos is the ghetto. You where are you going to? Well, I see Molwe. In Abuja, you won't see any taxi again. See buses. Hey, way. Please, guys, just wanted to pop in here. I've been so sick, guys. That Friday, that I said I'll go out. I did go out, but like I said, I've not been very strong. So I just went out to see a friend, and I ate, and I came back. And by Saturday morning, which is today, I was feeling, from Friday night I was already feeling really bad, but today it got so bad. I had to get to the clinic and get injections. Like, I could not even walk at some point. Like, I was burning up. I could literally boil a kettle. So all I've been doing is sleep, because that's what I could do. I haven't barely eaten. So I'm on injections right now, but they're also giving me to start this anti-malaria tomorrow as well. And then I think there's antibiotics. Let's see here. There's amoxil here as well. And then I think paracetamol. So guys, my Lagos trip has been filled with sickness. They said there was a whole party for my friend's boss's daughter, and I couldn't make it. Well, I made it, but I couldn't stay. So yeah, I've not really been doing any vlogging since I got to this town. But right now, I just got up. I'm trying to eat amala. Diana got amala for me early in the morning, but I'm just getting to eat it now. Let me show you guys. I'm going for dinner. I'm literally eating half. This is the remaining one. So yeah, I'm just going to try and eat and take Panadol and then go to bed. Hopefully I can start vlogging from Monday, because even my Vlogmas, working on that. I've now started doing 2 videos, 1 video in 2 days, because I can't edit, I can't film. I'm really tired and stressed out. I don't want to overdo it. So yeah, this is in the Vlogmas series, so I'm sure you guys will see this anyway. Guys, reporting live from, I don't know the name of the beach. This is Elegushi, right? Elegushi Beach, featuring the beautiful Diana of Lele. So guys, I'm feeling better. I just had my shot, not that kind of shot, guys, like my malaria shot, and I'm feeling really good. Even the nurse was excited to see me because I look a whole lot better. The beach is beautiful, guys. So I'm done talking. Let me just carry you guys along as we have a lot of fun. Okay, bye. Hausa does not like me. I
I even do better in Yoruba than Hausa.
Same
Yes.
with